In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to cells and jump to sections in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to navigate your spreadsheet efficiently, especially when you're working with large datasets or collaborating with multiple people. Let's dive right in and see how this is done. First, you'll want to open up a Google Sheet. You can either start a new one or use an existing sheet where you want to create links to specific cells. Once you've got your Google Sheet open, take a moment to plan which cells you'll want to link to and from. Next, select the cell you want to create a link for by simply clicking on it. This cell could be a spot where you want viewers to be directed to, possibly containing important data or instructions. After selecting the cell, right-click on it and you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, look for the option that says View More Cell Actions. Go ahead and click on this option. Once you've clicked to view more cell actions, you'll now see an option labeled Get Link to this cell. This is the magic button that will allow us to link directly to this particular cell. Click on Get Link to this cell, and just like that, you have copied a link that will take you straight back to your chosen cell. Now, find your way to cell K2 or another cell where you want to paste this link. Click into cell K2 and prepare to paste. You can do this by either right-clicking in the cell and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on a PC or Command+V on a Mac. The link will appear, but it's not fully activated until we press one more button. Simply hit the Enter key to anchor the link in place. You've now pasted a link that will direct anyone who clicks it back to your original cell. Test out the link by clicking on it and see how it takes you right to Sheet 1B5 or the specific cell you chose to link to. This makes navigating your spreadsheet a breeze and can be a helpful tool for sharing important information without needing to scroll endlessly. That's it. You've just learned how to efficiently link to cells and create jump links within Google Sheets. This trick not only saves time, but also improves the user experience when working collaboratively on detailed spreadsheets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll be able to use this skill in your own projects effectively. Be sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.